I tend to remember my nightmares vividly. However, I forget my dreams. Why is it so?
Why you don't remember the dreams is because you're fatigued, number one. Number two, you're not sleeping properly. Your conscious mind is interfering with your sleep. You remember your nightmares because nightmare is again a good news, where the trauma which would have caused havoc to you when it could not be held is getting released. It's a good thing that it is getting released, not staying inside. And how do you know this? That the nightmares are good for you? Every time you have a nightmare, you will find that next day is more light, more vibrant, more hopeful. That means what was weighing you down as a trauma inside for so many days and months and weeks, as it released, has left you at a higher quantum level. That is the reason you should believe when I say nightmares are good, because उसके बाद वाइब्रेटरी लेवल आपका ओवरऑल दिन में बढ़ जाता है. बट नाइटमेयर्स आर नॉट अ गुड न्यूज बिकॉज ट्रॉमा है. दैट्स वेयर एनवी हंटिंग कम्स इन एंड यू वर्क ऑन दैट एंड हील द ट्रॉमा. टू प्लीज प्रैक्टिस envy hunting for the day in the night. It's miraculous in nature, number one, because it is anti-aging. Those who are spiritually inclined, it relieves you from the bondage of karma, and see, it will dramatically improve the quality of sleep, which is the mother of health and well-being, one of the three pillars. So after 9 o'clock, you must make a conscious choice to be with creative self, doing anything which is bringing more faith in life, doing anything which is bringing you in union with yourself, whether it is lovemaking, sex, writing, praying, meditating, playing with children, intimate conversations, and you must be in bed much before 12 doing OTP. In any case, the body is already tired. There's no point in trying to say, I want to work a little more. It's better to sleep now, after now. And as the cycle adjusts, you will find that you get up in the morning automatically and you have good quality an hour or two to do the work. So पहले कॉन्सेप्ट रहता था दुकान बंद करनी शाम को 6 बजे. आजकल आप लोग अपनी दुकान बंद नहीं करते, इसलिए हेल्थ एंड वेलबीइंग इज अफेक्टेड. सो यू मस्ट हैव ए कट ऑफ कि दुकान अब बढ़ा दी, अब कल देखेंगे. जो भी सोच विचार और व्यापार है कल. अब जिंदगी जीना है 4 घंटे जो मेरे पास है, अपने दुख सुख की अकाउंटिंग करनी.